Working with your child with spasms, okay. First big thing is, I know you're going through a lot, is you have to have the medical under control. I can't stress enough, if you think that your child is regressing in any way, shape, or form, or you're in trouble that you're seeing an increase or of the spasms or what you might suspect is seizures, doctors, hospitals that way. If the words hospital, I'm not sure if I should go. If you're saying those words, go. I can't stress that enough. But at the same time, too, I don't care if you're in the hospital or out of the hospital, you still have to work on your child's development. The biggest problem is when the child starts having spasms, it's sort of like if I put you on a skateboard, you know, you're going to go like this. It's the same thing. Your child doesn't even know that this is lying down. The lying down is a very big milestone. It goes in play with tummy time, and also what I call the absolute horizon, that you're here and you can pick your baby up and you can bring them down and you can bring them over. They should just float in your arms, and I know you don't have that sensation with your child. So I cannot stress enough that I put down a couple of little very simple exercises for you to do. And also to the breathing course. Now, you really should be in the Fast Start program because you've just got to calm that nervous system down. And the only thing you're going to do it through is touch. Look at the touches. It's just love. It's just that easy. It's just that love. You're just sitting there, like, I know I'm not looking at my baby doll because I'm talking to you, kind of thing. But, you know, when you're doing this kind of thing, or if I'm having a child that's stressed out in my office or something like this, like I just go right here. You can do these lessons anywhere, but that's what you have to do, is just calm the system down. But it's sort of like if I'm telling you to relax, you're not going to relax, right? So if you're out here and you're doing this, please don't use stretches or try to push this down. This is where Newton's law comes into effect. When I push, they're going to push more, right? You don't want that. You don't want the swaddle. You're not looking at. Don't look it for, I hate to say it, I look at swaddling as equipment-based sustainability. You're looking to use equipment. When you're looking for an outside source to stimulate a child, we're already in trouble. And so we're there. Just stick with these simple little exercises, nice and small, nice and small. Anything grandiose, you're just going to get the spasticity. Your child's going to tell you when you're doing too much. It's a little bit harder on you, or you might get bored because you're thinking like, oh, I'm not doing anything. You've got to calm down that nervous system, because if we don't get the nervous system to calm down, that's why the development's not taking off. You put your arms out like this and try and roll over. It's just structurally impossible, and that's where you're going to get the developmental delays. Catching it now is so important. If, again, get into that support program, the Fast Start. It's free for the first 2 months right now, but it's really important for your development as a parent in this situation, but also for your child's development. Thanks.